Profitable Airbnb property for sale near the Caribbean beach in Costa Rica. A profitable residential complex with pools and a yoga area located on a large 2,500 square meter lot, surrounded by tropical nature. The complex includes a large two-story main house with 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, a barbecue and grill area, a game room, and a pool terrace. The property also features a landscaped tropical garden with abundant wildlife, 2 fully independent studio houses, and an open-air yoga or fitness platform. Each studio house includes a private kitchen, a sleeping area, a bathroom, a private swimming pool, and a private terrace. This property can be used as a high-income short-term rental, a private residence, or a retreat and wellness center. The complex is located just minutes from a safe Caribbean coral-free beach with a wide shoreline, ideal for privacy and sunset walks. It is only minutes from Puerto Viejo, the main tourist hub of the area, offering supermarkets, banks, restaurants, and organic food markets. Within a 10-minute drive are some of the most beautiful beaches on the Caribbean coast and nearby national parks. The property is approximately 1 hour from Limon Airport, with easy domestic flights from San Jose taking around 30 minutes. This is a fully titled freehold property, located on a large non-flood zone lot with rich tropical vegetation and abundant wildlife, including toucans, hummingbirds, and sloths. It is an ideal investment opportunity for generating strong year-round rental income in one of the most desirable and touristic regions of Costa Rica's Caribbean coast. Contact us. puntovirealty.com, your trusted partner for purchasing real estate near the best Caribbean beaches of Costa Rica.